In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify opening soon. If your storefront keeps showing an opening soon or password page, it means your online store is still locked behind Shopify's built-in password protection. That's helpful while you're building, but once you're ready to go live, you need two things in place: an active plan on your account and the password protection turned off. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your admin. From the left sidebar, go to Settings. In Settings, select Plan. Here's where you can confirm whether you've actually chosen a plan. If you haven't selected one yet, pick the plan that fits you and complete that process. You can continue on a trial, but you still need to choose a plan to unlock your storefront for the public. Once your plan is active, head back to your admin and open Online Store from the sidebar, then choose Preferences. Scroll to the section labeled Password Protection or Restrict Access to Visitors with a Password. Uncheck the box that enables password protection. If there's a field for a message visitors see on the password page, you can ignore it because you're turning the page off. Click Save to apply the change. After saving, visit your store's URL in a regular browser tab to confirm everything is live. You should now see your actual storefront instead of the opening soon screen. If you still see the old password page, give it a minute and refresh. Caching can sometimes hold on to the previous page briefly, and checking from a different device or network can help you confirm the change has gone through. It's also a good idea to test from your phone so you know mobile visitors see the same thing. One more tip before you launch. Removing the password makes your storefront discoverable, so it's a good moment to review essentials like your store name, contact details, policies, and shipping and tax settings. That won't change the steps we covered, but it helps ensure that once the opening soon page is gone, customers have a smooth experience from day one. A quick note on why this happens. Shopify defaults new stores to password protected to prevent unfinished sites from being publicly indexed. That's why selecting a plan and disabling the password go hand in hand when you're ready to launch. If you're intentionally keeping the store private for a soft launch or internal review, you can leave the box checked and share the password only with testers. But when you're ready for customers, make sure that box is unchecked and that your plan is set. That's all you need to fix the Shopify opening soon message and make your store accessible to everyone.